you all are fine at your home. That's great. So today I am going to explain you about LCM. What is the full form? Lowest common multiple. Let's understand what is the LCM. The lowest common multiple of two or more numbers is the lowest, as the name suggests, lowest common multiple. So the lowest common multiple of two or more numbers is the lowest of their common multiple. So by the definition only you can easily understand, to find LCM of given numbers you have to find first of their multiples. Now among those multiples you have to find, yes, which is the lowest of their common multiples. First of all you have to find the multiples of each of the given number, then you have to find the common multiples, and then you have to find the lowest common multiples. But do you know what are multiples? It is very easy and simple. Let's learn the definition first. When a number divides another number exactly means dividing another number exactly means you have to get 0 as remainder. Okay? Then the divided is the multiple of the divisor, like 12. Now 2 divides 12. How? So 2 is the divisor. Now 2 6 are 12. So 0 as remainder. That means we can say that 2 divides 12 exactly. Okay. So when a number divides another number exactly. Okay. Now which is the divided? This is the divided. Okay. And we have divided the dividend 12 by divisor 2 exactly, because 0 as remainder. Then the dividend is called the multiple of the divisor. So what is the dividend? This is, so you can say that 12 is the multiple of the divisor 2. 12 is the dividend, 12 is the multiple of divisor 2. It is as simple as that. Also you can say, if you write 5 fours are 20, that means 20 is divisible by 4 and 20 is also divisible by 5 and 4, both the number. So you can say 20 is the multiple of 5 and 20 is the multiple of 4. Okay? So I hope the definition is clear to you, and simply you can say multiple means you have to read the table of that number. I am explaining through an example. So multiple means you have to just read out the table of that number. Like, what are the multiples of 5? You simply see the table of 5. These are all the multiples of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So these are all the multiples, and multiples can be infinite, because if you multiply 5 by 1000, then it will get 5000, and if you multiply 5 with any non-zero number, then you can get, so it can be infinite. Okay? So again, the multiples of 12 are like this. So multiple of any number can be equal or larger than that number. See, 12 ones are 12, then 12 twos are 24. These are all the multiples of 12. Okay? So I hope the concept of multiple and how to find the multiples are clear to you. Now we learn how to find LCM of given numbers. So students, suppose we have to find the LCM of 18 and 24, these two given numbers. So from the full form of LCM, how you have to find out LCM? You can guess, that is lowest common multiple. So first of all you have to find the, I already told you, multiples of the first number, then multiples of the second number, or how many given numbers will be given to you. So then you have to find lowest common multiple. So multiples you have already, suppose first you have to find out the multiples, then after finding the multiples you have to find the common multiples, then after finding the common you have to find the lowest common multiple, right? So first of all, multiples of 18, then simply see, this is the table of 18. Okay, like 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72. Simply in this way it is written. Then multiple of 24. 24 ones are 24, 24, 24 2s are 48, 24 3s are 72. So like this way you have written. Now as you have to find the lowest common multiple, first you find the common multiple. You can see the common multiple is 12 here, 72 here. These two are common. Also you can see 144 is also common. But you have to find the lowest. So don't need to go on. Because in LCM you just need to find the lowest common multiple. Okay. So common multiples of 18 and 24 are 72 and 144. By this table you can see. Now the least common. Least means smallest. Least or lowest common multiple of 18 and 24. You can easily find it out. That is 72. So this is the LCM of 72. Students, I hope the concept of LCM is clear to you. Now I will explain you how to find out LCM of some given numbers by the short division method. Okay? So let's learn together. First of all, you have to write the given numbers in a line in order. Means first 60, then 72 in order. Then what is the first step to do? First step is done, that is arrange the given numbers in a line, that is you have done. Then divide by a number which divides exactly at least two of the given number. Okay, means here only two numbers are given, but suppose if there are three numbers are given, then you have 3 or 4 numbers are given. Then you have to find the number that divides exactly at least two of them. At least two of them. So we'll start from 2. So try to divide 60 by 2, it is divisible, and try to divide 72 by 2, it is also divisible, exactly divisible because 0 as remainder. So what will be the quotient? Yes, 30 is the quotient. So 30 will write here. Then if you try to divide 72 by 2, then what is the quotient, children? Tell me. That is 36 and exactly divisible, 0 as remainder. So you are writing the quotient in the next line. Again you have to repeat the process. Okay? Again you have to find the common number that divides both the number. Okay? That divides both the number and exactly divides, means 0 as remainder. So if you have to start from 2. So 30 is divisible by 2 and the quotient will be 15. Then 36 also divisible by 2 and the quotient is 18. So how long you have to repeat the process? You have to repeat the process till no two common numbers are divisible by the same number. Okay? Means you have to continue this process till you get here any two number that is divisible by any common number. Okay? So now next we got 15 and 18. So if you try to divide 15 and 18, you will see 15 is not divisible by 2. 18 is divisible by 2, but 15 is not divisible by 2. So we cannot take that number because we have to find the common number that divides both the numbers. So after 2 which number comes? Yes, 3. Then 3 is divide these two numbers. 15 and 18 both the numbers are divisible by exactly divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 6s are 18. So here we have written the quotient. Now next if you try to divide 5 and 6, now can you find 5 is not divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by 2. So then we cannot write 2 here because we have to find a common number that divides both the number exactly. Then if you consider 3, you will get 6 is divisible by 3 but 5 is not divisible by 3. So students, what will be your final answer? What will be the LCM of these two given numbers? So the LCM of 60 and 72, you have to write in this L shape. You will get the answer in this if you go in this L shape. How? You have to write the product of this divisors and the product of the undivided numbers. See, 5 and 6 are not divided. Since these two numbers are not divisible by any two common number, so product of, see, 2 multiply 3, product of all three divisors and product of this undivided number. So 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 6. So you get the result 360. So this will be your final answer. So students, I hope the LCM of short division method is clear to you. Also the concept of LCM is clear to you. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me. Okay, so practice.